Hey everybody, it's Nadira, and I wanted to hop on here, which I think I'm going to. Hopefully I'll do it every day. I wrote above if you want to study with me, if you want to take some classes online in person, or you want me to come and teach a workshop, just message me and we can chat all about it. Other than that, I'm just going to do whatever I feel inspires me in the moment to share with you today. So I was just practicing here at my home studio, and I wanted to share a little bit about a way that you could follow the voice and the music. Many times people are talking about rhythm, and a voice is also a rhythm. Voice also comes from the breath, so our movements and our singing both come from us breathing. Also, your instruments have a breath, right? Some actually use the breath in the wind instruments, but otherwise you're also connecting to your breath when you're playing string instruments or drums or whatever else you're going to be playing. So I wanted to share with you one of my songs that I was dancing to right now. It's an old CD, and so it may skip. That's all right. I'm not really going to dance to it. I think I kind of just wanted to share, like, as a conductor, what you could do. So if I'm going up and down, that means that just a way you could do variations. You could be up in your dancing, you could be down, right? So you could be up, just lifted, you could be up on the tippy toes, you can come down, you could do all the way down to floor work. You have going up and down in your dance, you have going side to side, you have the circle, and then everything in between that in the pie of all the directions you can go. You can go out this way, up, down, the arms do that, the legs do that, the core up and down, side to side, back and forth, and of course, circles and eights. So all that fun stuff. Again, if you look at it like a pie looking down, you have all these different directions, plus the outside circle, the inside circle, all these different shapes. Of course, you could do triangles, rectangles, you could do any shape you want. In belly dance, it's very feminine, so a lot of the infinities, the figure eights, the circles, those are very feminine shapes. More linear is very masculine, so you can mix up your masculine, feminine in with that. So let us begin. I don't know if I'm really going to dance again. Like I said, I think I'm going to just kind of share the voice and just do some hand gestures with it. I might dance around a little bit, whatever comes to me, but I think it's kind of like pointing out the rhythm of the changes in the voice and how you can match your movements to that. What I enjoy teaching is movement, combining holistic health, self-development in with the ancient art of belly dance, in with rock sharky. It's combining, though, our whole body movements, our thoughts, our personal emotions, our personal thoughts, our personal uniqueness in the way that we want to express ourselves into the movement, into the dance, and what we want to say out into the world. So also, doing circles, figure eights, linear movements, starting from the top to the bottom, making sure that the whole body is functioning left, right side, see if there's any blocks in either side of the body, paying attention to maybe which side is stronger than the other side, paying attention to which way we lead, maybe it's right or left, making sure that we're incorporating both sides of the body, and that's really important. So we're going to put on a little music. It's going to be spontaneous. I wanted you to, if you'd like to join, pay attention to the lyrical part of the music, or the voice. See at the beginning, you have four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
حبي الوحيد قلبي سعيد يا حبي الوحيد قلبي سعيد من دونك من دون عيونك شو بدي بقلبي
All right, so I actually ended up dancing a little bit. So listening to the 4 counts of the voice, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and the rhythm may go faster, the rhythm may go slower, the staccato, the melody, those can go slow, those can go fast. So you could follow one or the other, switch back in between, and that's a really good idea. So then you are doing some fast and slow and mixing it up and making it like real life with ups and downs. Otherwise it becomes monotonous, right? And it becomes a monotone voice, and nobody wants to hear a monotone voice, nor do they want to watch monotone dancing. So mix it up. Sometimes pick the singing, right? Because that's also in 4, and they're breathing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So have fun. Up, down, left, right, all around. Talk to you later. See you tomorrow. Bye.